welcome to Levon's Kitchen where I'm making some French bread pizza. So right now I have my butter and garlic cooking. I have my French bread cut up. I have my mushrooms and pepperoni ready. And you know I'm going to add lots of cheese. But first I'm going to brush some of this butter and garlic on this bread. Now I'm going to brush this pizza sauce on here. Now let's add some pepperonis. I like mushrooms, so let's add some mushrooms. Plus mushrooms. Now let's add some mozzarella cheese. So now we're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to put it in the oven, 400 degrees, until this cheese on top is nice and bubbly. I think it's about done.